Ready? So I'm ready. and time. Hello everyone, welcome to my ocean exploration tour. At the beginning of our journey, let's run into my favorite animal, the sea turtle, my first people. So for my first people, all rosetta are good at the bottom. So they will not be deformed by my next slow pour technique to achieve the highly identical pattern. So let's get your camera ready. The sea turtle comes with 4 rosetta. And I will draw the turtle shell and head in one move by using a slow pour. So is this your photo time? So let's say hello to the sea turtle. Before we finish our journey, and we find the dolphins is jumping over the wave. And for these patterns, the dolphin body and the wave will make with 2 rosetta in parallel. And I will outline the body with a single line in slow pour. And finally, I will finish the wave by overlay some dry foam on top of the rosetta. So here we go. And the key skill for the wave is we need to coat each layer slowly to avoid any burr. I'm sure that you only see this overlap skill in my design. The dolphin. So there's other dolphins. It's jumping to you. I'm Captain Keith, and thank you all of you to joining me today.